So hey everyone, in this video we will see Frigidaire Ice Maker self-cleaning mode. How to start, pause and finish the cycle. Step 1 is preparation and draining. Unplug the machine, remove the ice basket, then allow any remaining ice in the tray to melt. Drain the water reservoir completely by opening the drain plug. Ensure the drain plug is located at the bottom or back of the unit. Drain over a sink. Second step is prepare the cleaning solution. Mix a cleaning solution using a 1:1 of white vinegar and clean water. Alternatively, use a manufacturer recommended food safe circuit acid descaler. Then pour the solution directly into the water reservoir. Fill the reservoir up to the max fill line. Third step is activate the cleaning mode. Plug the machine back in, then press and hold the power button or clean button for at least 5 seconds. Indicator light will blink, alternating between small and large ice sizes, indicating the self-cleaning cycle is active. Allow the machine to run its cycle for about 30 minutes. The vinegar solution will circulate through the internal system during the cycle. Fourth fix is draining and rinsing. Drain the dirty solution from the reservoir after the flashing lights stop and the cycle is complete. Then fill the reservoir with fresh water and run a normal or clean cycle to flush out vinegar residue. Drain the rinse water after the cycle. Repeat the freshwater rinse at least once more, then discard the first few batches of ice after cleaning to eliminate any sour taste. Thanks for watching.